In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Apple Store app step by step. It's a pretty seamless process once you get the hang of it, and with this guide, you'll be navigating the app like a pro in no time. First, you'll need to open the Apple Store mobile app. If you don't have it yet, it's easy to download from the App Store. Once you have it opened, you'll be greeted by an interface full of Apple's product offerings. Navigate through the app and decide on the product you'd like to purchase, such as a MacBook or perhaps an iPhone. Now, once you've made your decision, find the specific item in the app and click on the Buy button. This action will start your ordering process. Depending on the product, you may need to make some selections. For example, if you're buying a MacBook, you'll need to choose your preferred color. After you've selected the color you like, confirm by clicking on Select. Next, you'll move on to choosing the display type. You might have options like Standard Display or Nano Texture Display. So pick the one that suits your needs best. But it doesn't end there. The next step involves selecting the memory option. And again, choose according to what you feel you'll need based on your usage. Once you've done that, it'll be time to select your storage preference. Make sure to pick the right amount of storage you think you'll need, as this is quite important for functionality reasons. After you've completed these steps and finalized your selections, you'll be prompted to add the item to your cart. Simply click on Add to Cart, and you're almost at the finish line. To review your selections, go ahead and click on Bag. This is where you can double check everything before making the purchase. If all looks good and you're ready to proceed, click on Checkout. Here, you might notice another payment option, Buy with Apple Pay. It's a convenient choice if you have it set up, offering a faster checkout experience. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully placed an order on the Apple Store app. Remember, the more often you use the app, the more familiar and comfortable you'll become with it, making future purchases even quicker. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your shopping experience pleasant and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on the Apple Store app.